What is up, guys? And unless you've been hiding under some kind of rock, you'll have heard of the content creator economy and how content is changing the world. So in this video, I'm going to outline a blueprint, a map that you can follow that will turn content, how to create it, and turn that into cash for you and your business. So it's not about entertainment in this video, it's all about education. So grab a notepad, settle down for 10-15 minutes, and be prepared for loads and loads of value and learning. Nothing for sale in this video, and I will catch you on the other side. What is up, guys? And today I'm going to be talking about the Growth Authority system, and this is recorded in May 2024. So the camera's here, screen's here, so I'll be flicking between the two. So this is the route to 10k per month and beyond. I want to take you back to January 1848. A guy called James Marshall discovered that there was gold at Sutter's Mill in Coloma, California. This was the start of what was known as the gold rush. So news spread that they'd found gold. You could dig for gold and find gold, and you're going to be really, really rich, aren't you? So that meant that loads of people started coming to California, and California expanded massively because there was gold, right? Well, maybe. Here's the interesting part. If you look at how people made money in the gold rush, well, about 30% was merchants and supply stores, people selling things to the people who were digging for gold. The 20%, hospitality and services, so people who were kind of giving kind of accommodation, other bits and pieces, services to the people digging for gold. How about the people who need to get there, transportation and logistics? Well, they made some money as well. Well, how about people who want to stay there, live, or maybe find, they could say, you know what, I could build a building in that area, real estate, land speculation, 15%. What about the people who actually made some money? Well, they need to store their money somewhere or send the money back somewhere. Banking and financial services, another 10%. And mining itself, the actual process of getting the gold out and actually making money from selling the gold, only 10%. So about 90% of the money made in the gold rush was not from the actual gold itself. Interesting. So why is that relevant to you? There is literally no faster way to make money than by selling services online. It doesn't matter which area you go into, it's the service sellers that are making money. So when you see anyone selling anything online, look behind the scenes on how they're making money. Are they teaching you what they're doing, which is what I do, or are they telling you to do one thing and doing something else themselves? That is not what I'm doing. Most people online, 95-99% people who are selling anything online, they're making more money from selling their services than from actually doing their services. So Grant Cardone, I have nothing negative to say about Grant Cardone, but he markets himself as a real estate guru. He is a real estate guru, but he makes most of his money, his income, from selling sales in his annual training programs. I think he's on close to 100 million a year. He then invests that into real estate. All you need to do this, guys, is a laptop and an internet connection. This isn't really a picture of me. My hair is slightly different, but this can be you anywhere. All you need these days is a laptop and an internet connection. Most people these days especially do not have the patience to wait through a 10 or 15 minute video. If I were to say to you, do 5 things, and at the end of it is $500, literally go and pick it up, most people will not watch the video. It's amazing. So in this video, if you stay till the end, there's a few gifts. One, you will have benefited from the knowledge that's there. You will have access to a Lucid chart. You're going to get access to PPA team. It's a community that I've created. Get direct access to me. So let's dive into the Growth Authority. So I'm going to start with a little bit of background about me. I'm 51, almost 52 at the time of recording this video. I've earned 6 figures for over 25 years. I've built up a 7-figure property portfolio. I've passed 10k per month, which is what I teach everyone how to do because I've done it. I've gone beyond that, 20k, 30k, 40k months, and I'm pushing toward 50k and beyond. Why am I telling you this? It is not to impress you guys. It is to impress upon you that you can do it if I can do it. I'm nothing special. What I do have is one superpower. I will start and I will not stop. All you need is persistent and consistent action, and you will have huge results. I've attached a video after this where I'm going to show you a live login to one of my Stripe accounts so you can see that. Stripe accounts, and just I'm updating this live, so let's go to the 16th of December. we can say from 16 December to January, we had a gross volume of about 25k pounds, which is not far from $30,000. So why am I showing you this? This is not to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible when you start to build and scale online. You need to think about mindset. That's the first thing that we're going to cover. If you want anything in life, you'll need to be ready for some bullets to head towards your head and dodge out of the way. Hopefully not real bullets, but in life you will get lots and lots of challenges. You will have ups and downs, and the question is how quickly you can bounce back from the downs, and that will be the judge of how quickly you get. Everyone's circumstances are different, but I guarantee this, you need to be the person who does not complain and just gets on with things. Motivation. Once you have that bulletproof mindset locked in, you then need to work out why you want to earn 10k per month or 100k per month and beyond. Is it because you want financial freedom? Do you want to have time freedom to do what you want? Do you want location freedom? How about the freedom to not worry about losing your job? Prices are going up everywhere, guys, and it's not going to get any easier. You need to earn more money, not rely on one job. There is nothing wrong with having a job. Everyone learns with a job, but you need to have income aside from it. Now, how to boost your motivation? Everyone should have a vision board, which is something that reminds you constantly of why you're doing what you're doing. This is just an example that we put together with AI, with someone, a nice car here, a wife if you don't have one, a nice boat if you want one. It's like a nice house, giving you reminders, constant reminders of where you want to get to. Next, you need to write down your goals. Something I learned from Grant Cardone himself is the power of writing your goals down daily. I wrote down I want to make 20k a month for over 10 years until it came true. Just write them down. I promise you it's going to change. Knowledge is not a guarantee of success. Action is. Once you have the motivation, the mindset, the next thing to do is take action. This is the only guaranteed way to succeed. I promise you this. Anyone will tell you this of any value is not just studying, looking at things. You have to do things. Now, once you have the mindset, you need to look at niche selection. Now, let's go back to the gold rush. Well, what happened there? People were in different areas. So some people were doing merchant supply stores. Some people were doing hospitality. Some people were doing transportation and logistics. Why is that? Well, you need to pick what your area of what I call the unfair advantage is. So let's say that you happen to know someone who can supply shovels. Well, that means you might go and open up a store. How about you know someone who has property in the area? You could kind of give people a rent a room, hospitality. Maybe you own or in those days it wouldn't be a van, like a horse cart or whatever, and you could transport equipment. So then you could set up a transportation business. Maybe you were in financial services or real estate. You have to have an area where you can add more value. So if I am a specialist in transportation and I can't go and try and become an expert in financial services, it's not going to work that well because it's not out of my area of expertise. Everyone has an unfair advantage. Now, I know what you may be thinking. You may say, I have no unfair advantage. Let me tell you something. Having spoken to people for over 20, 25 years in industry, I've never met a single person who does not have an unfair advantage. I promise you, you have one. But if you still say you have no unfair advantage, I have a solution for you. We can teach you within PPA Media, one of my companies, start off selling, marketing for other people's products, one of our products, until you develop your own products and you will understand what your advantage is. So there's no excuse for not getting started. If you look at the next thing, which is content. Content is the new currency. You look at Iman Ghazi. He's reputed to be spending over 100,000 a month just on content. That's why he's worth around 100 million. Why do we do this? Well, it makes you an authority. The brutal truth is that very, very few people will be consistent enough to make content regularly. If you do, your life will change. I absolutely guarantee it. Now, there are 3 kinds of content that you are going to learn to make. Number 1, introduction or lifestyle content. This is where you're going to be introducing people to you, your lifestyle, how you do things. Number 2 is value. You're going to be teaching people things. So this video is an example of value where I'm not selling you anything. I'm just giving you pure value, teaching you things. Third is CTA, call to action, where you're saying to people, if you want to learn more about how I do things, come and talk to me. I will show you more things. It's call to action. These are the 3 kinds of content you'll make. you must post regularly. And if you post regularly, things will change. Flick across to the Lucid chart, which is one of the free gifts that you get for being around. So let's go content here. So in terms of content, there's two kinds of content that we can make. Yeah, short form and long form content. Short form is going to be shorter form content, which is going to be like 30 seconds, 60 seconds. It's going to be portrait. If you see this video, it's a portrait video. And then we redirect people to long form content, which is what this video is. For example, long form content, where I'm going to be educating you and giving you much more value. Now, the growth authority system that I've made works as follows. You'll do 15 minutes of prep every single week. From that 15 minutes of prep and 15 minutes of filming, you'll be able to create a video which is given to us. We will make that into over 20 pieces of content for you, and we'll add some motivational clips that will boost your engagement. That then goes across to your content calendar. You then know what you're going to be posting. So you can get these 20 pieces of content posted across 5 different platforms. It could be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and X, and Twitter. That gives you 100 pieces of content posted out every single week. And this is when the fun starts. Now, it's not just me talking about this. We've got Grant Cardone, Alex Hormozi, Rob Moore in the UK doing this in a big, big way. Now, once you have the content, the next thing you need to do is outreach. Outreach is when you connect with people, and this is where you make the money. It's all about conversations. The more conversations you have, the more potential sales and clients you can get. Now we have content outreach. Well, how about the process? I want to come across to my Lucid chart again, and let's find the gold over here. So what we want to make sure we're doing eventually is hitting 50 people with messages every single day. If you do that, you should be able to get 10 calls booked. Out of 10 calls booked, 5 people should attend, which should give you a sale a week. And if only you're selling one program for 2.5k and 4 sales a month, that gives you 10k per month. Or you could just do recurring revenue, going to £500 per month, and that gives you 2k a month recurring revenue. All about repeating, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. That's all it is, guys. So I want to give you some free gifts. Now, if you comment Lucid in the bottom of the comments below this video, I will message you details of how you can get access to the Lucid chart, which is only for my paying members normally. If you message me PPA team, I will give you access to the PPA team, which is a community that I have set up where you have access to me directly. We have regular calls, and you can join the WhatsApp group, and you can learn from me directly and other people in the group. Hope you really benefit from the video, and I'll catch you on